waves, the red color regions you see here, this portion, where the wind speeds are very high in the southern ocean, because there is no land in the southern ocean. So generally what happens whenever there is land, the land will interact with the winds and there would be high winds. But in case of southern latitudes, there is no land mass, especially at 40s and 60s. Even sailors will use it as roaring 40s and previous 60s. So if you see minus 60 in the southern ocean, the waves will be around 10 meters. 10-meter wave will be there. So it's like 2 stories. So what happens? These waves always move, and so the winds always will move in this direction, and waves will travel in the direction. But what happens? Sometimes due to some atmospheric phenomena, these winds will block the upcoming waves, and then it will create a pattern. These waves start traveling towards India, these high waves. So if you see that red patch, it is going as usual. But whenever it comes to the northern side, it will greatly affect the countries which are residing in the Indian Ocean region. So that phenomenon we call it as swell. So what is swell? So simply swell is a wave. Whenever it is associated with the wind, right now there is high wind and high wave is there, then we call it as local wave. But what happens? Somewhere distant storm is there, it has generated big waves, and the storm effect is now not there, but these waves will travel across the ocean. It leaves its source, and that way we call it as swell. So what happens? Oftentimes these swells will be generated in the southern ocean region, and they start travels in this northern direction, and these waves will carry so much energy. So the general fisherman on the coast will experience no disturbances. There will be no wind, the ocean is very calm. But suddenly these high energy waves will come from the southern ocean. Generally fishermen are alerted when there is high wind, stormy weather is there. But without stormy weather, these high energy swells will come and create a lot of disturbance in the fishes. So this phenomenon is called as swell surge phenomenon. And INQUISE is the only agency which alerts the public about this swell surge phenomenon. Because these waves will come in starting. Without any scientific instrument, you cannot detect these kind of waves. So this is swell surge phenomenon. Finally, I will show you the